Alright, the first thing you want to do is to download VidiQ, then click on the sign up. Then you choose an email. I'll go with the first email. Okay, so I'm going to be taking you through the whole section of the VidiQ app. Okay, now these are daily ideas, so we'll just pass that for now. These are daily ideas. VidiQ give you daily ideas you can make video on, so you can save them for later or dismiss those ideas. Alright, first video. So let's click on the first video. Now there are three sections you go through when optimizing. We have the edit. So this is how the edit section looks like. Then we have the SEO score, where VidiQ score your videos, and we have the checklist. There are things you ought to do to get your video optimized. Like here is the title. We have the description. We have the tag length. You have to put 500 words of tags. Then we have other things like tagging title, add one tag in description, then you add a link in your description, maybe a link to your page, website, or whatever. Then you also need to add about 15 hashtags to your description. Okay, so I'm going to be taking you through all that to teach you how to optimize your video. All right, now for the title, let's go back to the edit and see how we can edit the title. Now the title needs 100 characters only. Okay, VidiQ recommends 100 characters for your title to be optimized. All right, then we have the description. Okay, VidiQ requires 5,000 characters for your description section to be optimized. So as you can see, I have just about 1,000 of that, but we can click on the get. VidiQ can recommend titles for you, so you can click on the get recommendation and they'll give you titles you can use that are better than the one you've imputed. So let me go with one of it. Okay, let me find a suiting one. All right, okay, let's use this one. How to design easy thumbnail using Canva. So VidiQ has recommended that title for me. They believe it's a better representation of what I'm about to talk about. Then here is my description, and I've written about 1,000 words. Then this section is the tag section. Now VidiQ provides you a keyword section where you can input the keyword for what you're looking for. So all you need to do is to input that keyword. Now I imputed Canva, and VidiQ provided these four keywords for me to use. So I'm going to select all and add the selected keywords to my tags. Now it is better you impute keywords that have green. Green should be about 60. Any score from 60 to 100 should be 60 to 80 should be green. Okay, then 80 upwards is a different color, but anything from green upward is good. So you can keep hitting the recommended keyword and try to bring out those green keywords. But if you can't see them, you go back to the keyword section and impute something else, maybe Canva tutorials, and see what VidiQ brings. So you see VidiQ has given us another 3 keywords with a green color. So you select those ones. So try as much as possible to make your tags, your keywords, your tags be that with a green, because those ones are the ones that gives you a higher chance to rank. All right, so you can impute other things like Canva tutorials for beginners and see if there will be better keywords for your channel. So what VidiQ does is to give you keywords are that are related, that are in relation to your channel's growth or channel size. Okay, for another channel, this word Canva that has 59 score on it can be 80 for another person, or can be 70 for another person, depending. Okay, so depending. Also, it also shows that when it's green, it shows that you have a higher chance to rank because only few content has been done on it, and also it shows that the search volume is much and you don't have much competition on that topic. Okay, so you just need to be doing that until you get up to 500 characters on your keyword section. All right, So let's add this first two, then we can refresh for more. Then when you are done, you just have to click on these publish changes. You just keep doing that. After saving, if you look at the SEO score above, you see that our score changed from 19 over 100 to 25 over 100. So you will move further in optimizing our video. We've added some optimization to our video. So you just keep doing that, keep adding. So let's add the learn Canva and the Canva tip tags. Those have 60 and 63 score. So just try as much as possible to add keywords that have the green. So Canva tips and the score of 50 over 100. So if you check our SEO score card, we have about 50 over 100 score because we've added some tags and some keywords, about 500 characters, and we've also optimized our description, which I just showed you now. Then we also add hashtags. So we did all of this: description length, title, tags, keywords like this, and all that. All right, so that's why we'll be able to have 50 over 100, which is pretty good or pretty okay. All right, so you want to try as much as possible to push that further. All right, so this is a daily ideas section. Ideas, VidiQ gives you daily ideas, so you can save them here or dismiss them. All right, then we have the research area where you research top keyword opportunities. You just input them on the search keyword section, and Canva and VidiQ will give you directions on the keyword to use. So all right, so you just let's click on the how to use Canva keyword and see what's in them. Okay, how to use Canva. All right, now what VidiQ does is it will show you top channels that are ranking for those terms. So you can see these three top channels are ranking for those terms: Mr. Money, Technical, Swati are ranking for those terms. So you can, and it will show you overall score or the search volume. It shows that the how to use Canva for beginners, 31,000 persons research that every month, and the competition is low. That is all for how to use VidiQ.